Hair loss is a challenge, but you can take control. At Dr. J Anti-Aging Clinic, we offer cutting-edge solutions to restore your hair and renew your confidence. Our advanced, minimally invasive treatments give you real results, all while you relax in the comfort zone at Dr. J Anti-Aging Clinic. Our cutting-edge technology stimulates natural hair growth by targeting the root causes of hair loss. This proven science leads to long-lasting, visible results. Here's what real results look like. Our treatments deliver a transformation you can see and feel. Here's what our clients are saying. Start your transformation today, restore your hair and book a free consultation call today.